So 1924 is our altitude, our height. 4.65 seconds is how long after that we hear the sonic boom. Okay, there, I can look at it. All right, so we've got the plane was actually here when it made a sound. It travels all the way to here. I'm down here. I see the plane right above me at, what was that height? 1942 meters. I hear the plane when it gets over here. So the plane is there when I hear it, and this took 4.65 seconds. So that was the time there. So my distance, this distance right here, would be the speed of the plane. We call that Vs times 4.65. And we have our cone angle here. So that's all the information I'm given. So I could say from this picture here, get all this stuff out of my way, tangent of theta using this right triangle right here, tangent of theta would be opposite over adjacent, 1942 over 4.65 times Vs. Now we also know that we have this big triangle here that gives us our cone angle, and we know from that triangle sine of theta is V over Vs, where V is the speed of sound in air, Vs is the speed of the plane. So we have this system of equations. Our two unknowns here are theta and Vs. We have to solve this system of equations, but it's not a linear system of equations. It's a trigonometric system of equations. It's a tough problem. So it took me 15 minutes to figure out how to solve it, even after I got here. What I would do is rewrite here tangent as sine over cosine. But we know what sine is. It's V over Vs. Okay, so I can plug that in here. I can plug this in for sine of theta and get V over Vs, and then I still have a cosine of theta in the denominator. These Vs's cancel. And so I'm doing a kind of a substitution here for a system of equations. The Vs's cancel, and I get the equation 1942 over 4.65 equals V, the speed of sound in air, 344 over cosine of theta. From that, I can solve for theta. So cosine of theta would be 4.65 times 344. Oh, sorry, my pen is, I hate this writing tool. 4.65 times 344 divided by 1942. Just cross multiplied. So then I can do inverse theta or inverse cosine of both sides and solve for theta. Get my angle. Once I get my angle, I can say use this formula to solve for Vs. So Vs would be 344 divided by sine of theta. So it was quite a bit of work.